Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I am going to show you how to make a visiting card design in PowerPoint. Hope you like my videos and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates. Let's get started. Okay guys, let's make a new slide. Let's select it. Now let's insert a rectangle. Here we go. I will set height 4 and width 10. Looks good. Set no color to the outline. Now I will fill this color to this rectangle, and now I will make this shape. Now how I will make this shape, let's see here. First of all, make copy of it. Hold command plus C and command plus V to paste. Okay, now this shape is made. Set a color this shape to this one. Okay, now hold Ctrl A and set it to center. Hold C shift so that look this magical happens. Now we have to make a circular cut shape in this shape. Now what, go to insert a shape. Now select this one shape and this circle and go to shape format. Go to fragment. Go subtract this. Okay, look good. Now we will insert this shape here. Insert hexagonal shape. Okay, now go to this. Now I will insert this shape. I will set no color to this as well. Look okay. Now what we'll do is go to shape format shape. Delete this. Now go to this and set a shadow. Upside with this. It looks more look. Okay. Now go to insert your logo or any photo of your company or anything else. Oh, not of my concern. Okay. Now insert a shape or line. Set a white color. Now insert your company logo or your title. I will set my company or YouTube channel name. Okay. Home. Set century glow thick. Set white color to this one. Looks good. Let's add a bit more text. Okay. Explore beyond the mind. Sorry. Explore beyond the mind. Looks good. Now let's insert icon here. Wait, curve or home button. Icon and one for mail. Insert. Okay. Let's drag this and select all this one. Select 0.69. Okay. Go to format graphics, set a new color to this one, go to shadow, set this one. Now add your own text here. Okay, I will speed up this video. Okay guys, this looks awesome. Now you have made a simple visiting card in a PowerPoint, or let's set a background to this to look good. Okay, pretty sure good. You can give any color. Okay, now this looks awesome. Now you have made a simple visiting card. Hope you guys you like my video, and please subscribe my channel for more updates.